Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by exposing a small area and creating reference points at outlets and switches. This saves guessing. Use a handheld magnet first to detect screw heads. Run it slowly in vertical passes. Once done, follow with an electronic stud finder set for metal mode. Sweep horizontally and vertically and mark every consistent reading. Make sure to label each mark with a date and direction so you can confirm later. These combined methods reduce false positives and get you ready for deeper checks. Next, verify each initial mark methodically so you know exactly where studs run. Once you have magnet and stud finder hits, make multiple passes at different heights and angles. This separates seams from studs. Then, at an unobtrusive spot, use a 1/2 drywall bit or awl to puncture and confirm a metal flange. Pull back if you hit wiring. Once confirmed, trace the stud from floor to ceiling and draw continuous lines. This mapping prevents costly mistakes when you drill, cut, or hang heavy items. For the last steps, choose fasteners rated for metal studs, self-tapping screws or metal anchors so your fixtures hold. Tighten into the stud flange, not just drywall. Test load gently. If your tools give conflicting results, stop and scan for live wiring with a detector or relocate power to be safe. If you still can't find a stud, cut a small inspection hole between studs, look inside, then patch the hole neatly after. Troubleshooting tip: inconsistent readings usually mean wiring, pipes, or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.